In a peaceful woodland, a clever little creature watched the world. Eager eyes scanned for adventure as the sun warmed the earth. Deep in the thicket, a wicked predator plotted. Greed darkened his heart, and mischief danced in his mind. Nearby, a kind-hearted doe munched on tender greens. Her gentle spirit brought warmth to every creature around her. The cunning beast whispered sweet words. "Help me find treasure," he lied, weaving a web of deceit. From the shadows, a small guardian listened intently. Alarm bells rang within him as danger whispered sweetly. Just like that, the gentle-hearted one trotted after the wolf. Her trust blinded her to the peril ahead. In a heartbeat, the predator revealed his true self. Fear gripped the doe as the moment turned cold and tense. Out sprang the tiny hero, heart-pounding. He stood tall, a bold spark against a menacing shadow. "Let her go," he squeaked defiantly. The wolf scoffed, amusement flickering in his gaze. Thinking fast, the little one spoke of a feast. "Follow me for food," he proposed, stirring the wolf's curiosity. A chase ensued, laughter mixed with terror. The tiny creature spun and zigzagged, leading the beast deeper into the woods. At last, they stood safe, the hunter lost in the maze of trees. Bonds forged in danger shone brighter than the fading sun.